Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you some of my travel bags and must-haves that I'm packing for our family trip to Europe. We are headed out to Switzerland and Italy very soon. I think by the time this video is live, I will already have boarded the plane and I'll be on my way over. So let me just show you, this is an oldie but goodie and this is a new bag. So let me show you the MZ Wallace first. This one here, which I know many of you have seen in my prior review videos, I still love it so much. This has been with me to Asia, on road trips, on trains, on planes, everywhere. Fits really nicely under the plane seat as well and overhead. So this is the Jim travel bag, J-I-M. It could also be a gym bag if you go to work out and you put sneakers and change of clothes, but this is so good, you guys. And I love it because it's that really soft, water resistant, carefree nylon, and it has the must for me, which is the luggage sleeve. So it fits right over my rolling suitcase. And when we travel, even if we're going long distance and we're traveling for a long time overseas, we as a family like to travel really light. So we pack pretty light. And if we have to use laundry services while we're there, we'll do that. But we don't want to be saddled with a lot of bags. So it's usually one rolling suitcase per person, me, my husband, and my 2 kids. And then one bag like this that sits on top of the suitcase and a little personal item. And that's pretty much it. So this one here, I won't go into detail because I did so many reviews on this and a lot of you ordered it as well. One of you, Jessie Style, a fellow YouTuber, also saw my video and bought one and took it with her on her travels to Japan, I believe. So yeah, a lot of good reviews on this bag. Chunky zipper, you cannot go wrong with this. Also comes with a longer strap. I'll link the full review video up above if you missed it because it's really helpful. I'll also link it down below in my description box if you want to find this exact one. But this is a must. This is coming with me. Now, I felt kind of selfish because I have such great bags and great travel bags for myself, but not so much for my husband. And he's been using this really old, beat up backpack from, I think it was Eastpak, for like 20 years, ever since we've been married. I mean, it's been a long time and it looks disgusting. So this is from a company called Troubador, and it's based in the UK, and it has won so many awards for being ergonomically designed, lightweight, practical, and waterproof. And so I thought my husband can use this on travels, but also I can borrow it whenever I need to, and it's a great commuter bag for laptops. So this one is the Apex 3.0. in all black, but it comes in a variety of different colors. I think I saw navy and an olive green and maybe one other color. It has so many compartments. So first of all, look at the inside here. So it's London-based Troubador, has all these pockets. It's so smartly designed. And if you are looking to get a backpack for yourself to commute or travel with, or for your partner or for a brother, father, I know Father's Day is coming up in just a couple of months. It is so smart. I'm thinking about maybe getting one for my dad as well. So this is the compartment for the laptop. You open it like this and it's totally padded right down here. Super padded, really secure, fits up to 17-inch laptop, so it's very roomy, and you've got more space here. My husband typically, when he's working, he likes to also have like folders and notepads and all kinds of stuff with him. So he could put his laptop here, and there's another compartment here. Do you see that? The sun's coming in strong today. And then also more space here. So the other thing is when we're traveling, my husband will put his laptop in his backpack, his gross old beat up one, which will be discarded now that we're going to use this. And it would be kind of a hassle when we're doing the security check-in because then he has to pull out his laptop and all of that. This will be really easy because, again, it has the perfect luggage sleeve right here, trolley sleeve. It will go right on top of his rolling suitcase, so he won't have to fumble as much. He'll just leave this on his suitcase, doesn't have to take the backpack off, doesn't need to fuss with it. Bam, take out his laptop. So convenient. So I'm so happy. I showed this to my husband. He was really excited. So this will be our first trip using it. Then you've got this easy access pocket out here as well, and there's this little attached key ring. So you can put your keys on here in case you might, want to keep them a little secure and handy. And then there's also this little pocket here for an AirTag if you wanted to track your bag. I've never used AirTag, but I know people who have, and it makes it much more secure. You have peace of mind in case your bag were ever to get misplaced or lost. And I know I haven't shown you all the pockets yet because there's so many pockets here. There's another pocket here. I have never seen a backpack this well designed. And I can see why this particular one had 5-star reviews across the board. There's this here as well. And the straps are completely padded. So this will be for my husband, but when I'm traveling alone, I might just have to steal it because you guys know I typically wear my MZ Wallace City backpack, which is much smaller. I'll show you here. Smaller, it's just different. It's quilted nylon, right? And so I'm thinking on this trip, I might wear this one because it's just really easy. I have done reviews on this as well. And we'll be matching both wearing backpacks, or I might bring this, which is a fairly new bag for me from Gomme, which is a Parisian brand. I did a full review when I first received this bag. I'll link it up above if you missed it. It's just like this oversized, beautiful Napa leather sling/messenger bag. And I thought, how comfortable will this be? I can just have it on me, throw all my stuff inside, and I don't know, it's weird, but since we're heading to Switzerland first, I want to keep it light. We're going to be in the Alps. I want to keep everything kind of white, off-white. Even my winter coat, I am thinking of bringing like a white ski jacket. So this might be better than the MZ Wallace backpack this time around, but I'm still debating. Let me know if you have a vote. And this is an absolute must. I'm definitely going to pack this. This is my favorite Tumi tote. It's a travel tote. It's the simplest travel tote that I have. And I have talked about this as well. So many of you have bought it also. It just opens like this. It goes inside that little pouch. So it's super easy for transport. And I bring it because just in case. It's called the just in case tote, actually. It's really roomy. It's huge. Fits so much. If I do any shopping or if we want to bring some stuff back, I can just put it all in here without having to buy another bag there. So this is just really good. Highly recommend the Tumi tote. I highly recommend all of these. These are my favorites, and this is going to be so good. I could tell it's going to hold up really well. There's a 5-year quality and service guarantee that comes with it as well. And also, I forgot to mention with Troubador, I noticed that they're all recycled materials, and if you're done using any of their products, you could actually send it back to them and they will recycle the materials again. So they're a B Corp and they're all about sustainability, so I think that's super cool. Okay, now I am going to bring one of my bags from Ateliers Auguste. I don't want to bring like a super high-end designer bag. This is the mini Monceau in the beautiful taupe color with the gold hardware. This is the gold edition. And then this one I have used on my travels to Europe a couple of times and also to Aruba and plenty of other places. This is also the mini Monceau in the chalk color, but it's the original edition with no hardware. It's feather light, so easy, and I love that it will match all of my outfits. And again, I'm going for like that off-white look, so I probably will bring this one actually. But this one's really pretty too if we go to nicer restaurants and I want to dress up. The hardware adds a bit of polish. Maybe I'll bring both. I don't know, but I'm probably not going to bring any super high-end designer bags. I feel like this is just much more carefree and I love this look. Okay, and then this is not a bag, but I'm definitely going to pack my favorite Haan tennis sneakers. I have been raving about these for years. I'm on to, gosh, I don't even know what number pair because I keep ordering because I wear through them and I love them and they're just irreplaceable in my wardrobe. I have to have them. I wear these almost every day, but if you watched my recent unboxing video, I did get a pair of YSL sneakers. I'm going to wear those and then I'll bring these. The beauty of these Haan sneakers are that they're all leather, so they're super wipeable. So if it were to get rainy or muddy, or if I were to step in something, I can wipe this down with a wet paper towel. Whereas the YSL sneakers that I got, it's got a little bit of nylon, but it also has some suede, so I feel like it's not going to be as hard wearing and easy to maintain. So this will be my second pair of shoes or sneakers that I'm going to bring for the trip. Okay, the last few things that I have to bring, I've shown this before. I'm very predictable, you guys. If I fall in love with something and I know it works for me, I go for it over and over and over again. So these are Japanese heat stickers and comes in a set of more of these, like in a box. But I'm going to bring all of these. So these are the stickers I've talked about, especially in the winter when it's really cold and you have to layer up. And I don't want to look like a huge snowman with too many layers and a thick coat. I just use these stickers. So these warm up within about 15 to 20 minutes and they stay warm for I think like 10 to 12 hours all day. You just stick it on the innermost article of your clothing, not on your skin, but the clothing like tank top, camisole, t-shirt, and then you layer on top and it's super toasty. And I've gotten questions about this. You know, sometimes I dress light when it's cold out and people are like, aren't you cold? I'm like, no, I have a heat sticker on. And so because we will be in the Alps and I don't know how cold it'll get in the mountains, I'm definitely going to use these. I also use them for my kids. So these are an absolute must. I'll link these down below. They're from Amazon and I know many of you have asked about these in the past. And then the last item I have to bring, I hope I don't forget, is this Tatcha face mist. I have been using this the whole winter and my face gets really dry, especially when I'm flying long distance because the airplane air is really not good for our skin. So I'm going to use this as much as I can, once, twice throughout each day while I'm traveling. It's really nice. I've talked about this before. It immediately adds shine and moisture and hydration, gives a dewy look. So when I take pictures, my skin will look better, it won't be so dried out, and it'll just keep my skin healthier while I'm away. So I'm gonna bring this, and it is only 1.35 fluid ounces, so I'm hoping I can just put it in my carry-on and should not be a problem. And while I am traveling, I'll just have this in my bag with me at all times. So that's pretty much it. I would be curious to know what your travel must-haves are. I have to actually pack now, and I was gonna film my packing process, but I think it's gonna take me some time and I don't want to distract myself, but I'm really excited. We are headed to Switzerland for a bit, and then we're gonna head to Italy, and we're gonna visit Milan and also stop off at Lake Como. So it's gonna be a really nice trip. We've never been to that side of Italy before, and I might do some shopping in Milan, who knows. Let me know if you have any thoughts or questions, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll make sure to link everything down below as well so you can do your own research. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.